Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, in this presentation I will talk to you about synergistic health effect of air pollution, temperature and pollen exposure, a systematic review of epidemiological evidence. Okay, let me introduce myself. I am Diana Izati and I am 47. Here is topic of discussion. Topic of discussion. First is background, the second is method, the third is result, and the last is conclusion. Background: synergistic health effect of air pollution, temperature, and pollen exposure, a systematic review of epidemiological evidence. Climate change will compromise the body's ability to regulate temperature, leads to a variety of health outcomes, including heat exhaustion, heat stroke, and hypothermia. Population subgroups to heat include older adults, children, people working outdoor, and economically disadvantaged communities, as well as end-stage renal disease patients. Air pollution exposure can have large implications for human health, particularly heart and lung disease and mortality. Exposure to pollutants such as PM2.5 and ozone, leading to pulmonary and systematic inflammation and increased permeability for lung lining or airway epithelium, increased hyperresponsiveness and decreases in lung function. The next is method. The method used is a systematic literature review navigation guide, a methodology for evaluating environmental health evidence based on methods used in clinical settings science. The aim of this systematic review is to assess whether there is an interaction between exposure to criteria air pollutants, extreme heat, and pollen on cardiovascular outcomes. Criteria air pollutants include ground level ozone, carbon monoxide, nitrogen dioxide, lead, particulate matter, and sulfur dioxide. The next is result. Ultimately, we include 56 studies that met our eligibility criteria. Of the 56 studies, 6 studies measured air pollution, heat, and pollen. 39 studies measured air pollution and heat. 10 studies measured air pollution and pollen, and 1 study measured heat and pollen. 46 studies were time series design. 3 were cohort studies, 1 was a cross-sectional study, 1 was a nested case control study, and 5 were case cross-sectional studies. Data collection in this study range from 1987 to 2010, and publication dates range from 2002 to 2018. And the last one is conclusion. In a systematic literature review of these epidemiological studies, we found evidence of a synergistic effect between heat and air pollution, especially for ozone and particulate matter, but not for their combination of heat, air pollution, and pollen together. Our findings supports consideration of the combined effect of heat and air pollution in assessing the health impact of the risk factor now and in the future as climate change. However, the existing literature is still too new to support the inclusion of interactive effect between air pollution and pollen or heat and pollen in risk assessments. The following is an attachment to the journal search. Thank you for watching my video. See you later.